What's up, guys? If you're trading Tesla this week and don't know these gamma levels, stop flying blind. Wall Street's positioning says a massive move is coming. Price closed on Friday at 326.92, and currently we're positioned for a $32 move up or down this week. Right now, the market is Tesla's market is call dominated with a gamma ratio of 1.76. The last time we saw this, Tesla ran nearly 10% in 3 days. Keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how the dealers are positioned and show you the trade plan for Tesla next coming week. Shown on the chart now, we got the Gamma Edge web app pulled up, which is going to show us all of our options data. You can clearly see above 320.30 dealer long gamma really kicks in. We also have lots of positive delta in. And then also below 317.50. So below that, we start to see negative gamma kicking in. Still positive delta, but negative gamma. So dealer long above 320, dealer short below 317.50 if we're just looking at gamma numbers. Okay. But above 330, basically that's game on. So we have that positive delta level, 813,000 high gamma level. So above that, we can really get cooking. Look to target potentially 350, right? So if you see on our screen, we got the bull trigger here at 330. Okay, above that, our first target is 335. Above that, we can target 350. And the final take profit would be 68 for this week. If we were to drop down, start to unwind, what we'd be looking at is our bear trigger at 317.50. At that point in time, we might see a negative delta flip. And negative gamma will start to kick in and propel us down to 312, 297, and as low as 285. Again, we're looking for a 32-point move. This week, we're heading into OPEX, so we have some different things going on there. Using a couple of the tools that we have come from us. Edge. One of them is the NetStat command that you run in the server if you have a Gamma subscription. One of them is the web app, which is the black or gray box in the background there. NetStat is the white box there. Both of them tell us different numbers. Just wanted to go a little bit into just very briefly explaining something that's easy to understand, kind of what these numbers mean. So when we're looking at net gamma, which is going to be found on the web app right here, we have net gamma at a positive 45 million. So what that means is that market makers are buying dips. So anything below 320, market makers are buying those levels. Because of the positive gamma, we should continue to get pushed back up from anything below 320. Also, Vanna and Charm here, which is found on the NetStat command. We got Vanna, we got Net Charm. Those means that dealer demand is for the upside, plus IV Crush is going to continue to fuel a grind up based on Vanna and Charm. So what Wall Street really sees essentially is, and what we can see from these numbers is that they're long. Wall Street's looking for, smart money's looking for, right? Institutions are looking for that continued upside to those higher take profit levels that we're looking at, right? So I'll continue to break down the exact trade plan here if you keep watching the video. And here is the exact trade plan that we follow this week. It'll be posted on X. If you've got through this whole video and you continue to watch, you're going to see it first because it will be uploaded to YouTube before it gets uploaded to X. For you following along in the Discord, it will also be posted there for Tesla. This is using quant data, all options data provided by Gamma Edge. Here's our 620 setup, gamma flows and focus. Our bull case probability, high probability, right? More confidence for the upside than the downside. We're basically looking to break and hold 320. Okay, there's our bull trigger on the map, 320. Okay, plus the COTMP. This is the cumulative out of the money put gets cleared. Dealer flow supports a squeeze if we stay above 320. Okay, staying above 320, below 317. We talked about that earlier. 317.50 invalidates the bull case scenario. Okay, if we can hold 320, right, reclaim that. Out of the money puts get cleared out. Dealer flow supports the squeeze. Right, 335 is our first target. Okay, we have a supply shelf there. 350 is a gamma wall. Right, and this is OPEX week, so we're likely to push up into that gamma wall. And then we have cumulative out of the money call cap coming in at 368.41. Now, if you look at these, the 335 is a 1-to-1 RVR based on where that trade potentially invalidates. 350 is somewhere along the lines of a 2-to-1, and then the 268 is a 4 reward. Okay, invalidates with a close below 317.50, 0 gamma flip. Okay, the highest RVR is a 2.1 reward, the 1 risk confidence again buyers. Okay, bear case lower probability, but if this happens, we're looking for a break below 317.50. Okay, that's our bear trigger right there at 317.50. We get a gamma unwind risk plus structure breaks down. Okay, then we start to break down, below this move. Okay, we can target 312. There's our first target. Okay, 397.50, or sorry, 397, which is the SMA 50. And then 285 is a sweep low. Okay, there's liquidity that rests right below that at 281.88. But 285, we're saying sweep low. So invalidated if we take that trade and then we close back above 322 or VWAP holds. Okay, highest RVR on the bear side is 5 reward to 1 risk. Okay, but lower confidence than the bull case scenario here. Either way, looking for that 32-point move, which would take us above 350 on the bull side and below 300 on the bear side. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If this helped you prep, hit like, subscribe, comment Tesla ready so I know who's dialed in. Don't forget to check out Gamma Edge. They got a 14-day free trial. The link's in the description below. I get all of my advanced flow, my quant data from Gamma Edge. The link is below again for those who are serious about learning more about options trading and having the edge with the data provider there. Also, if you're not part of our raw stocks community right here, we got an awesome trading Discord. It's free to join. I drop updated Tesla charts in the Discord for free. I drop the trade plans every week in the Discord for free. We also have a premium side that has lots of additional information, tools, channels of call outs. So if you're not part of the Discord, join for free. The link's in the description below. Thank you guys for tuning in and have a great night.